Fun and Sun RV Resort and Retirement Community in San Benito, Texas, held its 5th annual car show Saturday, March 5th, 2022 in the front parking lot. The car show is a resident-led activity supported by volunteers. The event provides a nostalgic look at classic cars, trucks, rat rods, motorcycles, and golf carts. A classic travel trailer was also displayed. Many businesses in the area provided gift cards, prizes, and various gifts for door prizes. 3 residents of our park supplied mugs, pennants, and shirt and hat. In all, more than 60 door prizes were awarded. 35 raffle items were also given out. All but one were either handmade or donated from people in the park. The car show group will decide where to donate proceeds from the raffle sales at their next meeting. Last year, almost everything went to San Benito Food Pantry.
Okay, thank you. With that, the rest of the presentation that I'm going to make, if you will see this picnic table behind me in this truck, the Resaca City Car Club has bought that, and we're going to donate it to the Freedom Park, which is on that end of the park. And it's going to be in lieu of our friend David. We're going to have a plaque put on it with a memory of David Isley. So please, Sue, this is Sue, his wife, and hopefully she will accept this and go down there and cherish it whenever she can. Like I said, Dave was a very, very intricate part of our organization, and he helped us out tremendously. So let's give it up for Sue.
Thank you.
All right, with that said, now we're going to do the drawings for your door prizes. So if you want to come on up closely and get that out of the way, because we're going to have a lot of them done.
The money Fun and Sun raises through its car show supports various entities and projects in the resort and the community. For example, 50/50 tickets, where 50% of the proceeds go to the winning ticket holder and the other 50% to a charity, raised $369 for the San Benito Food Bank. Jim B. won the pot. The car show also raises money for the park's wood shop by offering lunch. Choices included burgers and hot dogs, chips, and soda. Proceeds go to supplies, maintenance, and repair of the equipment in the wood shop. Maryland's Pantry offered cookies, cakes, muffins, jams, jellies, butters, curds, and sauces. Run by park residents, profits go to maintaining the extensive gardens of Freedom Park. The car show is another of many dances, dinners, shows, and other events provided while hosting Winter Texans. These activities are on top of being the largest RV park in the Rio Grande Valley with the most amenities. For those who've never stayed at Fun and Sun or any full-fledged resort, calling it an RV resort is a misnomer. It's really an adult summer camp. If you're bored here, it's your own fault because there's something for everyone. And the park is less than 5 miles from all the shopping you'll need, including nearby access to Mexico for shopping, entertainment, medical and dental care, as well as inexpensive and unavailable medicines in the United States. Just don't forget your passport.